Hey guys, it's Calvin for a quick Bitcoin update on this Thursday, June 24th, 2021. We are in the third green day in a row for Bitcoin. We are still in this consolidation after the big May 19th dump. A lot of people are trying to look at this as a Wyckoff accumulation, which I cannot confirm nor deny that. Oftentimes Wyckoff accumulations will consolidate for a period of time, and then they will end with what's called a spring, and then the spring will dip down below support, which we saw support at 31,000. So we dipped down below support, we swept all three of our major lows, and we're coming out of that. And the hope would be that we start making higher lows building up out of the range. Normally springs do have low volume. This one is not a low volume spring, so that would be a cautious tale in this case. What I'm watching is we have a couple descending things going on. We have a descending channel. We have multiple touches on resistance, multiple touches on support. What makes this channel not that great is we do have this positive deviation before dumping back down to the bottom of the channel. Another thing to watch is this pitchfork, the descending pitchfork that was initiated on the April 14th high and established on April 25th and May 10th as the wings. And so we could see that we tried to break out of the channel fairly recently on June 15th, failed miserably, came back down, touched the bottom of this channel. And so that is something to be watching. I have labeled some VPVR volume nodes that we should watch. And so we are right here in this large volume node. Once again, I suspect that we will likely stay in that volume node for quite some time because that is the range. But if we are going to seek to go lower, so if we do fail resistance of this descending channel and fail resistance of this pitchfork, some levels to watch would be these volume nodes. And so we have one at 29,100, 26,700, 23,400, and then the next major level, in my opinion, would be the 0.618 retracement since the COVID lows. After that, we have the previous all-time high support from 2017 at 19.8, and then we have another volume node at 19.2. Strictly based on confluence and the tendency for price action to seek the center line of a pitchfork, I would seek the price action to go for this red line, and then there's also confluence with the red line and the bottom of the white channel, as well as one of our volume nodes, the 26,700 node right here. So that is a level that I'm watching. We obviously don't want to see it continue in the bearish direction, but that is a stark reality that may occur if we do fail to break out of this descending channel and this pitchfork, which so far on this test we are failing. So if we zoom into the hourly, we see that it is hitting the top of the channel and failing out of it. The top of the pitchfork is up here, obviously, and then we also have the 0.786 retracement from considering the fib level of the all-time high and the COVID lows. So we do have some levels that we do need to take if we are going to move upward. I would like to see, so this is going to test a little bit lower, hopefully find support in this zone here, so probably right around 34,000, find support, and then test the top of this channel and that fib level once again and hopefully claim it. But if we don't claim it, this point down here, in my opinion, so let me zoom back out to the 4-hour, this point down here is going to act as a magnet for price. In which case, we're just continuing our channel. We should get, we've had bounces at the bottom of the channel, and so hopefully we'd get a bounce there before moving up and getting a little relief. So those are some things to be watching. Another thing to watch is the VWAP. So our yearly VWAP is way up here, but if I change the setting to the monthly, you will see that we are testing that as well. And so we are testing a lot of levels right here. So we're testing the top of this channel, we're going to be testing the monthly VWAP, we're testing the 0.786 fib level, and then right after that would come the test of the top of the pitchfork. And so we do have a lot of resistance in the zone, and it will be quite the battle to get through it. But if we do, I think that'd be a very bullish move out of this pitchfork, and I would expect to see more upside, start testing up some of these higher levels, the 40,000 to 42,000 zone. So that's it for now. Hopefully you are having a good week. That's it. Enjoy.